Hi everyone, here we are, we're in Portree. This is the Portree Bridge. It goes over top of the northeast Margaree River. This is a really popular place with locals. They come here swimming. They like to jump off this side of the bridge here. There's supposed to be no salmon here just because of how much activity is around the bridge, but we're gonna find out. Thanks for watching. So that's where we are on the northeast Margaree. So right here, this is the jumping spot. Not very deep. We haven't had that much rain lately. It's a beautiful river. Beautiful spot to come visit. All right, let's get into it. Every fish matters. Let's go. Okay, so there wasn't very much underneath the bridge. I found one American eel, so we're gonna go up the river and try to see the next pool. Hopefully there's some salmon. Trekking through the rapids. So here's the next pool. Hopefully we find something in there. If not, that's okay. It's a beautiful area. If anything, I'm getting some exercise. success. We were able to find a couple salmon, maybe a few trout, and one really big American eel. Great. This river is just full of life, full of big fish. It's amazing. So that's it for us here at the Northeast Margaree River. It's a beautiful river. There's lots of fish here. You should come check it out. Thanks for watching. Woo!
Good swimming.